Good morning, bhai. Good morning. Hanji. So how are you? Dheeraj, you got the timetable? Which subject? Timetable came or not came? Did you get the timetable or not? Came. Dheeraj, beginning onwards you're not seeing timetable yaar. क्यों नहीं देखा धीरज यार? ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार. You should see the timetables na yaar. You're not taking the classes seriously. Free class are there, that's why not taking seriously kya? That means you're not revising also what the teachers are teaching you. That is the problem with the free education. Bhai sahab, education is not free. You are giving your time to this. Don't take it lightly. Clear, bhai? Whatever will be taught in the class, you have to revise also. Anyway, my name is Saurabh Pant. I teach chemistry. Clear, bhai sahab? Everyone clear? Once let me know if the audio video is clear to you, because some messages I got that the audio is not clear. Everyone is clear with the audio and video? Great. So yeah, by this time I think Amit Dhariwal sir would have come for you, right? Before that, Divya ma'am would have come for you. Divya ma'am would have told you about the periodic table, mnemonics, how to remember the elements in the periodic table. Then Amit sir would have told you about bond line notation, expanded form, condensed form, calculations of sigma and pi bond. Is that correct? Organic chemistry, yes, obviously organic chemistry, but which part of organic chemistry? Which part? Have you done this? Sigma bond, pi bond calculations you have done, right? Primary, secondary, tertiary, hydrogens probably, carbons probably, alcohol, halogens. These are the things that Amit sir would have covered. Correct. Badhiya. Yeah, amines, primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Now Supraja is asking, what is your name? Beta, this is my age. Name I will tell you after 5 days. This is my age. Supraja yaar. You are high IQ, science stream people you are. What subject and what do you think this is? Guess. Just guess what is this? The name of the highest peak in India? क्या है यार सुप्रजा यार? Bhai, first class is there. Don't show your talent today only. Wait for some days na yaar. Let me teach you for 2-3 days, then show your talent. Before that, you are showing, first day before starting the teaching, you are showing me the talent yaar. I'm now underconfident. Namaste bhai, namaste. Hi guys, bilkul yes guys. ये gift class ही है बेटा. Yeah, so many people talking in Hindi yaar. Chaliye, good, no problem. Tejashwini, I am good, and I also hope that you all are fine. So yes, I have come for, in your batch, I think I'll be getting the class for 6 days, starting from today. So we have enough time to talk. Today we are going to start the topic. I'll give you the brief idea about the topic. And meanwhile, every day, when the people will be joining in the beginning, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, we can talk also. At that time, I will discuss about me. Done, bhai? Firstly, you see na, for what I came. If my teaching is okay, then only know about me, na yaar. If the teaching is not good, what's the point of knowing about me? Hundreds of people come in your life and go. Firstly, learn, understand. Clear, bhai? Ramcharan, yes. I know as much Telugu as much you know Natu. Okay, Ramcharan? M. Ramcharan. As much as you know Natu steps, that much I know Telugu. That means theory clear. But application is difficult. So if you will say in Telugu, I'll be able to understand. If you speak in Telugu. If you write something in Telugu, I will not be able to understand. But all those discussions we can have later, na bhai. You came here to study, correct? You came here to study, I came here to teach. Let's start our job. And once one class is over, next class, little bit I will talk. Next class, little bit more I will talk. 6 classes are there. Kuncham, integration tarvata. Acha, AKD sir completed integration or differentiation only? AKD sir completed integration also or only functions he told? Integration also na? Haan. So kuncham, teaching tarvata, integration tarvata, you will get the complete knowledge about what I am, from where I came, all those things which are very important for NEET examination. Every year 5 question comes on. Who was the chemistry faculty, from where he came. For those questions I will prepare you, but every day, prati roju. Kuncham, prati roju. Clear, bhai? Chaliye, coming back to the point, ki sir, Amit sir have told about organic part. Divya ma'am told us about the periodic table part. What part are you going to discuss? So let me tell you, there are 2 things we are going to do in the coming few days. So the 2 topics which are to be told to you. Number 1, structure of atom. Number 1. And number 2, we are going to see unitary method plus mole concept. Out of which this part I will be dealing for you. Structure of atom part. Done by. Unitary method, mole concept will be done after 6 days. That means Sunday exam will be there. After that, you will have the next topic to be started. Clear, bhai? No, beta. SP, DF and orbitals that you will do in the junior intern. Na? What I am going to do is that I am going to make your class 9, 10th strong. So let's start. Why to ask, sir, what are you teaching? I will teach and show, na? Chaliye, let's start. Chaliye, twarga. Now everyone will stop typing for some time, because when your fingers are moving, your ears are not working, bhai. If you are not going to listen to me, whatever the energy and time I will put will be wasted. Your time will be wasted. Now, for the next 10 minutes, I need your full attention. I need you to fold your hands, sit like this, full attitude ekdam. I want complete attitude. Okay, sir, yes, start. Done. I will teach you class 9, 10 topic only, but in a way it should be known to you, not mugging. I will not be worried about in which year James Chadwick have discovered neutron, in which year J.J. Thomson have. All those year and all which are important for 9, 10th are not relevant for junior inter, senior inter in chemistry and physics. Our job is to conceptually understand the experiment. Our job is to understand the outcome of the experiment, so that in case we want to become a scientist in future, we should understand how the experiments are conducted. So now, number 1, we have to study about discovery of electron and proton. That's the first thing. So the story is many years back here. Millions of years back. People were not having any idea about what the nature is made up of. Then Dalton uncle came a few hundred years back. He told us that atom is indivisible. Atom cannot be divided. Same thing are written in our Vedas also. In our Vedas, we call it Paramanu. Param Anu. Extreme molecule. Anu was called as molecule. Param Anu, extreme molecule. This is a very common word in Sanskrit. Paramanu. In the same way, Dalton have given the theory that atoms are indivisible. Atoms cannot be divided. That was very old theory. Then one experiment was conducted. In that experiment, we discovered subatomic particle. Subatomic particle means we know that atom, something like this, so you might be knowing that atoms have electron. In the nucleus of atom, protons are there, neutrons are there. This much we know. I'm starting from the experiment that how people came to know that electron, protons, they exist. And the name of the experiment, can anyone tell me what was the name of the experiment here? Twarga. Can anyone tell me the name of the experiment? Cathode ray experiment. Very good. Avyukt. Very good. Cathode ray experiment. No, plum pudding is the model. Once they came to know about electron, once people came to know about electron, proton and neutron, then they explained how they were arranged. That is atomic model that we have to do, but not today. Correct. We call it cathode ray experiment. One thing, quickly tell me, is my speed of speaking okay for you? Are you able to understand the language I'm speaking properly? Is it fast or something like that? Wherever you feel that I'm going a little faster in the speaking, let me know. Done? Great. So cathode ray experiment. Now I'm very sure most of you have read this cathode ray experiment. Correct? You have read the cathode ray experiment? I'll tell you the brief idea about it, then I will ask you questions, and then I will tell you the actual experiment. This is a battery. This is plus terminal, this is minus terminal. So this is minus plate, this is a metal plate. This is a metal plate. And this is also a metal plate. This is plus plate. Plus connected to plus, minus connected to minus. It is minus because connected to minus. It is plus because connected to plus. And here, this thing. Here we have negative charge. Here we have positive charge. Then by this I will call as my cathode. In this experiment, I will call this cathode. I will call this anode. So what was the experiment? They took very low pressure inside the container. Inside this container, they have taken very, very low pressure. Tarvata, when the electricity was passed, from here some particles came out. And they started moving towards anode. These particles were called cathode ray particles. And because they were moving towards positive. Who go towards positive? Avyukt. Beta, it is 10 to the power minus 5 ATM or minus 4 ATM. Minus 3 is also not very low. But anyway, I will tell you all that. Don't worry. Firstly, understand the base. I'm bringing everyone to the same level. Clear? That's what I'm saying. Type less, listen more. You will get the complete theory. So cathode ray particles are moving towards positive terminal. Who will run towards positive? Who will be attracted towards positive? Correct, Sudesha. Correct, Harshita. Correct. What? Negative charge. So cathode ray particles are negative. Similarly, at the same time, some particles, they started from here, probably. They started somewhere here. And they were positively charged particle and they were called as anode ray particle. Are you aware of this thing? Up to here everyone knows. I'm assuming that this much everyone knows. From here my lecture starts. I'm assuming this much everyone knows. And those who did not know, now you came to know. Right? But I'm assuming this much everyone knows. So understand, bhai. Hello. Clear? In the first class, I'll have to teach you also how to learn. The teaching style that we follow here is very simple. I will firstly tell you what you know. Then I will ask you few questions. Then you will answer them wrong. Why? Because conceptually it will not be clear to you. And then I will tell you the actual concept. So first I have to gather your attention. So when you answer wrong, don't feel bad. That's the reason that I'm coming here to deliver this lecture. Now, if you know everything, then why will I come and deliver the lecture? But at the same time, try to answer. And don't answer innovatively. Whatever I'm thinking, opposite answer I will give. Maybe it will go correct. Always answer what you know. Don't try to answer opposite. Don't try to play a mind game with me. Clear, bhai? You're intelligent people, I might lose. So this much little elder people respect you can give me. And I know I'm looking like your younger brother. 13 years old only, 13. So obviously, but chinna pilladu, okay? So little bit. So my question number 1 is, cathode ray particles are, you have to tell true or false. You have to say true or false. Cathode ray particles are electron. Anode ray particles are protons. Now, cathode rays were called cathode rays because they are starting from cathode. So, cathode ray originate from cathode and anode rays originate from anode. Firstly, very elementary question. Then I will ask you good questions. Firstly, in this slide, I will ask you those questions which you are already good at. Chali. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. You have to tell all the answers. Correct. True, 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 true. Okay, most of you are answering true. First one, false. Cathode ray particles are electron. People are saying false also. All true, 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 true. 1 and 2 are true. Okay. But a third one, though, I told you just now. I told just now that cathode rays are called cathode rays because they start from cathode, originate from cathode. But third, though, I am telling you is true. All true, all true, all true. Great. This energy I want here. This energy I want. I want this energy. Twarga answer coming. Bilkul no fear. Correct. This should be the attitude. Now, yaar, what will happen? Wrong answer will come. Now, worst case scenario. Let it come. First wrong will come, then we will learn, then correct answer will come. Good. First one, is this true or false? True. Cathode ray particles are electron. Correct. Second, anode ray particles are proton. False. No. Anode ray particles are not protons. Protons are anode ray particle. What do you think? True or false? Fifth point, true or false? Protons are anode ray particle. This is true. Arey, anode ray particles are not protons, but protons are anode ray particle. Now, Kishan is asking me, Samsung iPad asking me, how, sir? Remember, na, 3 phases of learning. Number 1, to ask you question so that you answer wrong. And then you will understand, na, sir, why? Then I will tell you why. Why? Kuncham attitude I will also have, na, yaar. Firstly, I will ask you the question, you answer it wrong. Don't worry about it. Then the doubt will come. Why, sir? Why? That is my job, to increase the doubt in your mind. And then I will tell you why it happens. But remaining answers, see first. Remaining answers. Cathode ray originate from cathode. True. Anode ray originate from anode. False. Our job is to learn these things. Why it happens. Slowly, conceptually. This is 9th class, 10th class knowledge. This we should be knowing today before entering in junior inter. You all agree? This is something which was in your syllabus. But because we have mugged up like this in a hurry, we did not understand why it was happening, how it was happening. Such a great experiment was there, which discovered the most important particle, electron and proton. We don't know about them. We don't know about them. So firstly, are you okay with these questions? Cathode ray particles are electron. True. Anode ray particles are not protons, but protons are anode ray particles. Cathode ray originate from cathode. True. But anode ray does not originate from anode. And protons are anode ray particles. That is true only. Clear, bhai sahab? Sir, but fourth one false. Why? I will tell now. I will tell. Clear, bhai? Exactly. That means You are listening properly because now coming, sir, tell na, sir, tell. That feeling coming na. है ना? Feeling वस्तुंदा. That, sir, tell na, sir, why you are doing time pass? Tell. हाँ. This here I. Now tell me what you want to ask. Now do you want to know about from where I came? See the power of concept. Now you don't care about from where I came, who am I. Now you are worried about, sir, why false? Clear? That means you are actually scientist in your brain. You really want to learn. Let's understand now. What happened in reality? What happened? So today, beta, listen very carefully one thing. I want your little bit of support here. I know you want to learn all the things all the time right now only. है ना भाई? Exactly, Ramcharan. Understood na? I also like teaching, like you like reading na, but we don't want to waste our time in useless discussion. Exactly. Coming to the point. Beta dekho, cathode ray I will tell you today. Anode ray I will tell you tomorrow. है ना? I don't want to rush. Otherwise, you will not understand anything. So I want one commitment from your side. You will not think about anode ray completely till I complete the cathode ray. Once your cathode ray is clear, I'll give you idea about anode ray and leave you in the class to think. Today you will think about it. Tomorrow you will give me the answer. And if your answer will be wrong, then I will tell you. We have to learn, beta. We don't have to mug up. We have to learn. You have to grow your brain. Correct? So you will not ask me, sir, tell. No. I will tell you cathode ray. I'll explain you idea about anode ray and leave you there. Perfect. Like serial is there na climax. Ki what happened tomorrow, what will happen? That feeling should come. Chali, going ahead now. So what happened in the story is that, let's see what happened. This was the battery connected. This is positive terminal, anode. This is negative terminal, cathode. Right, beta? Now, it is negative. How can anything be negatively charged? Anything will be negatively charged because it have excess of electron. We all know that. Anything will be negatively charged because it will have excess of electron. We know that. Now, at that time they did not know. But now we know. That time to here they did not know. Now we know it contains some excess of electron. What is happening in the background we can understand much better. Then, because of this high voltage, this is high voltage. High voltage means chala positive, chala negative. So here you have chala negative. Those who are non-Telugu speaking, high negative, chala negative, high negative, positive. It is high positive. Now imagine I am this electrode. I am this plate, metal plate, positive. I am asking electron, come. I have high positive charge, come. Chala positive charge is there, come on. Achha, electrons are together. They are repelling each other. Chala positive, chala negative, they are repelling each other. And here someone is asking them, come. So what they will do? Sir, they will come out. They will jump out. So electrons came here. And then they started moving towards. They started moving towards the positive terminal. Because plus minus attract each other, na? Correct, Dheeraj. That's the reason. Correct, Dheeraj. Bilkul. That's the reason. Because plus minus attract each other. Now, after listening to this, tell me, Twarga, tell me. These are cathode ray particles. CRP, I will call it. Cathode ray particles. From where did they originate? From where did they originate? From where did they start? So, sir, I can clearly see they are starting from cathode. They are starting from cathode. So, sir, cathode ray particles originate from cathode. Do you agree? Easy. Sir, easy. Understood, sir. No problem. Understood, na? I am assuming that you understood. Sir, cathode tube say cathode. Why not anode from anode tube? Dheeraj, previously, na, first thing, was cathode rays were discovered first. So people call the tube as cathode ray tube. Not cathode tube, cathode ray tube. This was discovered first. After some years, then the anode rays came. I'm teaching you in the same sequence. That's why the name was given cathode ray tube. Anyway, now cathode ray particle originate from cathode. I think everyone understood. And cathode ray particles are electrons. That also I think will be clear to us. Because whenever we gain charge or lose charge, we are gaining or losing electrons. Are you aware of this? Moment, Seth. Chalo, Seth, I will tell you one more time. Seth, listen carefully. Seth, here chala negative undi, akada chala positive undi. So positive will attract negative. So electron will jump out and will go towards positive. Moment, Seth, clear now? Dheeraj, I will tell Dheeraj. ठीक है. Now Dheeraj is asking me, sir, what will happen at low voltage? Good question. Momin, you also understand. You will understand one more thing. Dheeraj asked me, sir, what will happen at low voltage? Now tell me, do you know the elementary Rutherford kind of model, Bohr kind of model is this? Bohr and Rutherford have said atom is like this in class 9th, 10th. When you will come to junior inter, atomic model will change. But at least you know this. So do you agree that the atom is attracting electrons? Electrons are not loosely here kept. They are attracted by the nucleus. Do you agree? Do you agree? These electrons are not sitting here. Ki, someone will come and will take us away. No. These electrons are attracted by the nucleus. If you give low voltage, then this anode will say, electron, come, come, come. Electron will say, mummy, can I go? Mummy will say, no. Why you have to go? Okay, mummy, sorry, mummy, I cannot come. When high voltage will be there, ki, come, Ames Delhi, Jipmer Pondicherry. Mummy, can I go to Ames Delhi? Ha, beta, go. Attraction should be enough not to leave the house. Why will your mother allow you to go out of your house if enough voltage not there, enough attraction is not there, enough motivation is not there? Dheeraj, clear hai bhai? Kanishka, Sudeshna, are you okay? Clear? Understood? Here. Bongolu facts. Yeah, bilkul. Obviously, I will share the QR code here. Don't worry. But listen in the class. Charan Kumar, why protons are not attracted? Tell me one thing. If I come and meet you, Charan, if I come and meet you, will you shake hand or will you shake intestine? Charan, what is, you will say na, Charan, sir, what a stupid question, sir. Charan, answer na, think once. Will you shake hand or will you shake the intestine? And if not intestine, why not intestine? Intestine is longer than hand, na? You know, intestines are longer than hand. Then why not intestine? Sir, hand is outside. Intestine is inside. Firstly, hand will interact. Exactly. Electrons are outside. Protons are inside. Firstly, electron will interact with the surroundings. Avyukt, yes. Yes. Done by. What happens in medium voltage? Arey yaar. Medium means what? What is the meaning of medium? Anyway, Siddharth Ramaswamy, how can you say cathode ray originating from cathode? Very simple explanation is there. When we create here vacuum means no gas, completely empty vacuum, then also cathode rays came. So when there is nothing, only this plate is there, nothing else is there, and then only something came. That means it came from here only, na? Charat, high and low are relative. Tell me, my age is high or low? What do you think? My age is high or low? If I sit in your class, high. If I sit in your class, my age is high. Ki sir, we are 16, 17 years old. Chinna pilla do. You are 120 years old, tortoise. But when I'm sitting with elderly people, then my age will be less. But a high and less, low and high are relative. Getting? So medium have no actual sense. Beta, high to low, correct hai? High to low. But high, low, medium. Medium means what, yaar? It doesn't. What is my age? Medium age. Are you getting? And if my age is medium, 1 year elder to me, that also medium. 1 year younger to me, that also medium. 10 year elder to me, that also medium. So medium means what? Clear, bhai sahab? Electron is not going to higher, Dheeraj. Electron is going from higher to lower. Electron is going from high electron density to low electron density. Here positive came. Why positive came? Electron deficient. Electron deficient. Correct? So Dheeraj, you tell me, electrons are going from high electron density to low electron density only, na bhai? Someone asked me, why can't rays pass through anode? They will pass. They will pass through anode, and here I will put one coating, one ZNS coating. And on this coating, the cathode ray particles will come and strike because they are invisible. How people came to know they are coming? That came and strike here. Glow came. So, bhaiya, in this ZNS coating, cathode ray particles came, collided, and due to that, glow came. So by that glow, a zinc sulfide coating we have kept. This coating, when the electron strike, a glow came. So yes, it was passing through anode also. Electrons are chala chinna, very small. So they can pass through anode as well. If you want to observe them, if you want to see their nature, it is better to take perforated anode. Perforated means some holes were kept. Perforated anode means, listen to the language. NCERT has very confusing language sometimes. But perforated means some gaps are there, so that more electrons can pass. But if you don't keep the gap, then also electron will pass. Clear, bhai sahab? When you don't keep the gap like this, then also electrons will pass. But if you keep the gap, electrons will pass more. So Nishant, answer of your question is cathode rays. Why can't cathode rays originate from anode? Beta, simple thing is there. What happened na? Up to here it is clear, you tell me. Up to here clear, then I will tell you how remaining experiment they came to know. Up to clear na? Up to here clear? Chaliye. Now listen carefully. Now some questions will come in our mind. Firstly, we understood the basic idea, what was happening. Electrons were coming out. Why they were coming out? Because high voltage was attracting them. It was going towards anode. Behind anode, we put a ZNS coating. Behind anode, we have put a ZNS coating. And cathode ray particle came here, collided. And due to that, the glow came here. And we came to know that some particles are coming. So obviously, scientists also got the doubt like you are getting. How are we sure it is coming from here only? Maybe from here particles came and collided. That is also a possibility, na? From here the electrons came and collided here, or maybe some particle came from here and collided. So what they did, they put here, they put a paddle wheel. What did they put here? A paddle wheel. Now, paddle wheel, can you imagine this? It's like one like this, 2, 3, 4. And if you push it, it will rotate. Paddle wheel. Kind of fan, correct. Kind of fan which can be rotated by paddle, windmill type, correct. So paddle wheel they kept. And the paddle wheel rotated like this. Electrons were coming, paddle wheel was there, electrons was coming, electron rotated the paddle wheel. So sir and madams, electron, or we should say cathode ray particles, rotate paddle wheel. They were surprised. You cannot see cathode ray, but when you are keeping a paddle wheel in the middle, it was rotating like this. So that means that particles are coming from here. Because if the particles came from there or going only back, then this will not rotate like this, na? Either this will rotate like opposite or will not rotate, but it is rotating. That means, here kept paddle wheel, then also rotate. Here kept paddle wheel, then also rotated. This paddle wheel I kept here, then also rotated. That means paddle wheel, the electrons are coming from cathode. Twarga se. See, you are understanding the doubts you are having, scientists also had. That is why they conducted the experiment. This is what we call learning. We are learning. Clear, bhai sahab? Hi Sunny, hi. Hi Sunny, hi. For this class only I'm your friend. There is no other friend. Huh? Class tarvata, friend red. During the class only I am the friend. Clear, bhai sahab? Chaliye. Paddle wheel clear. Sunny clear. Rotated the paddle wheel, first thing. So they were surprised. Nothing visible. Once imagine, empty tube. Hai na bhai? Empty tube. Ashrita, listen carefully, you will understand the answer of this also. Empty tube. You cannot see anything. But here ZNS coating there. Can you imagine everyone? Empty tube. Nothing visible in the middle. Here you have ZNS coating. This is ZNS coating. It was becoming glowy. Glow coming here. Glow. That means something coming. That is why I need ZNS coating, because cathode rays are invisible. Electrons are invisible. And when they placed a paddle wheel, invisible paddle wheel they placed, it started rotating. It appeared like ghost is there. Now to see the ghost, they put a cross in the middle. God promised they put the cross. They could have put anything, but what they put? Cross. See, you understand how the brain of a scientist works. They put a cross in the middle. I can show you the experiment also in the YouTube. They actually put a cross in the middle. They put one object. Now to they say object. But when they put the cross in the middle, shadow was coming. Object cast shadows. Clear, bhai? Anurag, why we are using ZNS only, why not something else, is none of our concern right now. And Anurag, I know you want to learn all the things right now only. No, I don't want to deviate from the main concept. Why do you want to do mugging here? Anything you can put here which can be glowing, that is none of our concern. Our concern is this. Are focus here. Cathode ray experiment going on. Invisible was there. Paddle wheel rotating. Now they have put one object. So then what happened because of that? Listen very carefully, everyone. When they put an object here, let's say the object is like this. They put one object here like this. And here cathode rays were coming. So you know what happened? Here, now listen carefully and tell me, if from here light coming or cathode ray coming, I am standing like this. So cathode rays will pass from here. They will pass from here, but they cannot pass from here. Or less will pass from here. Obviously, more will pass from here, more will pass from here. A thick cross. Nagalakshmi is asking why. Nagalakshmi, you come running towards me. I will stand like this. You will pass. If real ghost will be there, it can pass. Real ghost to not there, na bhai. So how can you pass through my hand? Can it pass? My hand, can it pass or will it collide? My hand will pass through or will collide? Collide, na? So what happened? From here some cathode rays came, but wherever this cross was there, behind that you got the shadow. What came? Shadow came. Sir, what is shadow? What is shadow? Shadow is the absence of light at some designated places. I'll give you the example. Understand everyone. How the shadow is there. How the shadow is there, you need to understand now. I should not switch off the wrong switch. So, yeah. Everyone. Shadow. Now, my face, this side of my face. Clear, bhai? This side, nothing. Now focus on this side. Shadow coming. Why coming? Because light can come from here, but not through my finger. So behind my finger here, light not coming. I'm blocking the light. So shadow will come. I'm blocking more light. More shadow will come. I'm blocking more light. More shadow will come. When shadow comes, when you block the light, can I get shadow this side? See, this side light not there. This side light unda, ikda light unda, ledu. So can you have shadow here? No. Shadow can only be when light was coming and I block him. I'm blocking the light. So wherever the light is blocked, behind that shadow will come. Is everyone aware of the shadow now? Arey yaar, oh future scientist you are. Are you okay with the shadow now or not? Yes. 100%. They place the pedal wheel and they could have got the shadow from there also. But shadow was not coming completely properly. So they took a thick object which can block a lot. I said na electron can pass through anode, chinna. So some of the electrons they are not getting blocked. Why? See, electrons coming in the pedal wheel, electrons coming, rotating the pedal wheel. So how are they blocking? Blocking means something that is not rotating. Then only block na bhai. Harshita, light not coming, cathode ray coming. And just like light comes in a straight line, cathode ray particles are coming in a straight line. That is why the shadow coming. Just like light travels in a straight line. Something comes in the middle, light stops, remaining light comes, shadow will come. In the same way, cathode ray particles coming in a straight line. So by pedal wheel, we understood the direction. And by the shadow, we understood it is traveling in a straight line. So now is it a ghost? No. Why? Two reasons are there. It is not a ghost. Number one, first reason. When you put the cross, it did not vanish. And second actual reason is that ghost, if it is, it cannot cast the shadow. Ghost means it is not something unknown. It is behaving like light. traveling in a straight line. So people understood something is there, something scientific is there. Say bhai, are these two experiments also clear? Pedal wheel. What we came to know from the pedal wheel? From the pedal wheel we came to know cathode ray particles are particles. Why, sir? If I keep a pedal wheel like this, and I put a candle like this, candle, heat coming, heat vastundi, will the pedal wheel rotate? No. But if I punch it, if I punch the pedal wheel, will it rotate? Yes. Particle nature undi. Cathode ray particles have particle nature. They are not behaving like waves only. They are existing like particle. They are not energy only. They are actual particles, because pedal wheel is rotating. To rotate the pedal wheel, you have to do collision. Collision, only particles can collide. Heat will not collide, na yaar. Harshita understood. Kanishka, did you understand what I just now said? Ki rotating the pedal wheel means particle nature undi. Second, casting the shadow of the object. Shadow of object coming. To straight line they are moving. Because if they are not moving in the straight line, shadow will not come, na? Shadow will come when they move in a straight line. So this area will be blocked. Sir, why can't they penetrate into the objects? With the objects, I said, I have taken thick object. Thick. Chala thick object. Got bhai? Why pedal wheel did not cast the shadow? I already answered this. One more time I am telling. Pedal wheel, when the cathode ray coming, is it blocking? Is this blocking the cathode ray, or is it rotating and the cathode ray is going straight? Angel, I did not see the complete name, but tell me, is it rotating or is it blocking the cathode ray? Rotating na. So cathode ray not blocking na. Then how you will get the shadow yaar easily? Kuncham concept vastunda. Sir, top se clockwise and down se anti-clockwise, and pedal wheel should be in rest position. No, sir. Dheeraj, what did you just now ask here? This is the problem when the mugging becomes too much. Now tell me, rotating like this, then how this will rotate? Will it rotate in the A way or B way? Everyone answer. I am saying this is the way of rotation going on. Then this will rotate like A or B. A, everyone knows. Now Dheeraj, if you are mugging up, that is wrong, na? See here, what I made the diagram. Here, tuck, tuck, tuck. Clockwise only, na? Clockwise, 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 kya kar raha hai yaar? How it became anti-clockwise, bata? Where it is anti-clockwise? Now Nishant Reddy is asking why can't it be B? This you asked from your physics teacher. Don't waste the class of CRP. Cathode ray particles are important. Ki sir, why rotation like this? Why not rotation like this? Don't worry. Akhilesh sir will come. He will teach you rotational mechanics. But this is, anyone living on this planet knows how the rotation occurs. I can also explain you, but why should I waste my most important lecture time in teaching physics? For that, physics people will come na yaar. If they will not be able to explain you properly, then come to chemistry people. We can explain everything. I'm joking, huh? Physics faculties are also good. Hanji, say bhai. Twarga say. Now we are winding up. Twarga say. Are you clear what happened? I'm going to wind it up for you once and let me know where you are not clear. Number one. What happened? As soon as the experiment started, because of high negative charge here, electron jump out. And because of high positive charge, electron got attracted towards anode. So they are originating from cathode and going towards anode. First thing. Second, to see that where they are going, from where are they originating, we put a pedal wheel. We put a pedal wheel, it rotated like this. We put a pedal wheel here, it rotated like this. We put a pedal wheel here, it rotated like this. That means electrons are going towards anode. To know that, what are they actually traveling like? Are they traveling like a spiral, or are they traveling in a straight line, or like a wave? We put an object in the middle. When we put the object, shadow came. When shadow came, we came to know that cathode ray particles are traveling in a straight line. Say bhai, Bhavna, it is 10 to the power 5 volt voltage and 10⁻5 atm pressure, but I don't want you to mug it up right now. Please, I want your concept should be strong. Beta, fan will form the shadow if the fan is static. Once it is rotating, clear, bhai sahab? How can the shadow will comfortably come? Kuncham might come. This middle object shadow might come, but proper shadow will not come, na? Yes, time is up, I know. That is why I am saying, that's why I revised also. Sir, your image पैडल में देखो सर, कैथोड रे ट्यूब से ऊपर में और नीचे में भी ई है ना, तो रेस्ट में होगा ना? नहीं. The problem what you are facing here is that you are thinking pedal wheel is chinna, electrons are pidda. There is a diagram na, that you are thinking about the diagram in this way. Beta, pedal wheel is big. Understood? And that pedal wheel I will not be keeping exactly like this. Chalo, I'll make it easy for you. If I want to keep this pedal wheel, Dheeraj, now I understand what you are trying to say. If I keep the pedal wheel like this, now okay? Now okay? Chalo. Sir, they have removed pedal wheel. I'm sharing the QR code. So beta, next class I will come and I will tell you about the anode rays. But before that, revise this and come. Now, before telling you about anode rays, I will give you a hint. I said I will give it a hint in the ending of the class. You will think and come. Tell me a few answers, Twarga. Where are the protons? Are they inside the atom or outside in the atom? Inside. So will it come outside like that? Will the proton come outside? Positive is inside the nucleus, na? Will it come outside, jump outside? Possible intestine can jump outside? No. So anode ray particles are not the protons coming out. Correct? Dheeraj, how much energy you apply? If the proton came out, na, and the atom broke. And Dheeraj, tell me, you know this thing? Atoms breaking is called nuclear fission. It is a nuclear reaction. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, atom bomb. You are making atom bomb. That much energy can you give? No. So that much energy we are not giving. Otherwise, for one experiment, we will destroy the world. Why? I don't want to know about proton then. If for discovery of proton, if I have to die, why will I'm mad kya? Why will I die for discovering proton here? So no, that much energy not required. Then sir, what? Something else is there. Now hint I am giving you. Electrons are coming from here. From here, proton cannot jump out. That much energy cannot be provided. If provided, destruction will happen. So protons are not jumping out. So something is happening in this area. Understand? Cathode ray coming, anode ray not coming from here. So something happening in this area. From there to here, something happened in the middle. Think about it and come in the next class, then I will tell you. Clear, bhai sahab? In next class, I will start from the questions only which I asked you. No, Pujita, no. One more hint required. Inside this, vacuum not there. Low pressure there. Vacuum le do. low pressure there. That means gas are there. And if I take my Hayabusa, I don't have a Hayabusa, but if I take my Hayabusa and I go in a full speed, in a straight direction, and someone comes in the middle, 10-15 people are there in the middle, what will happen? Fasak to will happen tarvata. Before Fasak, what will happen? Boom, bam, badam happen or not happen? हाँ बिल्कुल मोए मोए happen, मोए मोए. Clear भाई साहब? तो here also collision possible ना यार. Next class. चलिए, okay then. Bye bye, tata, have fun, keep thinking, become a great scientist. Doctor you will automatically become.